it's our last day here. And then, well, actually, technically tomorrow's our last day, but it's our last full day. We leave tomorrow at 8. So we're just gonna wing it today. Yeah, we're gonna go get some tacos again because those tacos were fire and we want to go get it again. Just called the Uber, so yeah. Back at it with the taco. So fire.
Muy bueno.
Trust me. Oh my life. They trying to bring me down. What is this? Wow. It's like a plastic, but it's paper straw.
Interesting.
Is it really? Like it's biodegradable straw.
Nice. See, that's
This is what they need to do. Not that bullshit ass. Hey,
How's it?
strong. It's good though. We're back here at Wynwood, but this time during the day so we can see the murals better. You know, gonna go check out the Wynwood walls. And yeah, you know, little vibe. So you gotta pay to get in. Yeah, okay. It's 12 bucks USD, but you know, you gotta support the artists. Look at these murals. That's sick. Starting to rain a little bit. BTP in Miami. So we're going on this boat right here. Something means.
Baby, don't you leave. Don't let me stop here in the streets. Quiero que sepa que me quieres y no olvides que no pare de pensar en su belleza. Tómate un trago y cuando te borracha pa' mi casa. Bésame de abajo, sácate ese cigarro. Algo material, todos los olvidados. Y tranquila, no pasa nada, que no es
Salvavidas para todo el mundo a bordo. Igual no se preocupen que no significa que van a necesitar nada de eso. Su corazón desee se encuentra en el mar, familia, y nuestra bartender Jasmine va a estar feliz de cuidarlos.
Qué pena me daría no tenerte en mi vida, vida mía, mami. Infinity Music, let's go. Estamos rompiendo, muchachos.
Confío si quieres quedarte, hoy te hace frío y mañana te va. Muchos quieren mi baby, quieren
The new kicks from Miami. Come on.